how's everybody doing today? I'm Chef de Cuisine of the Nosedive. My name is Craig Jones, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about local products. And with me today is Craig Weiner from Broken Hope Organics. He actually stops by on a weekly basis.
Local herbs. There's a lot of people that are selling local herbs. I mean, when you're able to go get basil and not in a box at the store or whatever, you're able to get basil that looks like that, like it just came off your plant, because it did. And when you go to the Saturday market, or maybe you're lucky enough to have a buddy like mine, like Craig here, that'll bring you stuff on a weekday, and so you can keep it up all week. Because a lot of people say, hey, how do you sustain yourself all week long from doing the farmers market? That happened on Saturday. I'm like, well, I'm lucky enough to have a relationship with a lot of these farmers that they're able to come out on a Tuesday, a Wednesday, a Thursday, and bring me stuff so I can continue using all this product all the week long. Another thing, I want to give a shout out to Beechwood Farms. I get a lot of corn from them, and they're doing a lot of beautiful corn. Theresa's been a good friend of mine for a little while. I used to work at a place called Devereaux's. I'm sure some of you have heard of that one, where she used to use squash blossoms for us. She would pick 200 squash blossoms a week, and something, so I can't really do it here, but we love to use their corn. And this is the corn they're producing right now. This is a bicolored corn. In particular, I think the variety that she had said was Peaches and Cream, which is a wonderful variety of corn. Very sweet, very, again, local, and of course I pick up a whole bag. People look at me like I'm crazy. Who's this guy? He comes in, he gets a huge bag, he puts on his shoulder, and they say, oh, he's going to Nosedive. So I'll get 2 bushels a week. But again, this is something you're going to start seeing right now. This is getting picked right now. I mean, you're going to get corn, this is the time to get it locally. Don't go to the store. Go somewhere, that roadside stand you see, that truck farmer that you see on the side of the road, because most likely he's getting it from a field that's a mile, 2 miles, 3 miles away. So why not go there?